Hello guys, last time we have covered how to change the logo, see, and after that the social media bar on the right side, the sticky social media bar, and just before this video we have covered how you can create the pop-up in Elementor, right? So it's working perfectly fine. Same website I'm using for that, and today I'm going to share one of the very useful in fact feature, that is how to change the column position for a small screen like mobile phone using Elementor. We are using Elementor, and the breakpoint will be 768 pixels. Below this any screen will be there, so the position will be changed. So you can define your own breakpoint as well, right? So I'll show you like this. If we see this position we will change. I have just defined this thing. This column will be the reverse first on the mobile phone. Right now it's not there. If you see, I refresh it, image is there, and this column is below that, right? So it is 4414, so below 768, right? So if we just stretch it, it's because it's bigger than our breakpoint, so it's showing normal, right? But we are going to work on this like mobile phone. Generally, we experience the problem. What happens that if we like just one image and then we want a text for that after this text, so this kind of problem, especially for the newcomers, they experience. So that's why I'm just trying to do that. For that, what you need to do, first you need to log in into your dashboard as usual, open your Elementor, right? And we will do on this thing, right? So now what we need to do, you need to click on that specific section, and here layout, style and advanced, you need to go to the advanced, and here first 3 classes you need to define. First for this section, another for this column, and the third one for this column, right? So this class I have already defined all these things already. 3 classes, I have mentioned everything, and I'll just name it Elementor dash row. You can just copy it, but make sure that your class is not conflicting with other. So you can name 1 2 3 4 5 or anything, right? So I have just name it, and after that I'll go to this column. I have already defined the column 1 and here the column 2, right? 3 classes we have defined. Now we will go to the section, and under custom CSS, here what you need to do, I have just written the code already because I just wanted to verify if it's working. So it is already done there, and what I'll do, I'll just paste it simply. No changes for big screen, right? So if you go to this screen, because it is again the same thing, this is the first column because it is lesser than 786. Same thing I'll tell you here. Now see, it is reversed now. Okay, I'll show you. This column is the second column before this. I will just check. If I remove this first column and if I paste the code, it is reversed, right? That's it. Just publish it and view the page. If I right click on it, I'll check first column. This is first column now, right? This is first column, right? And if I just remove the code and publish it, see, this is the first column. It is reversed now, right? Okay, so it's done. And if you like the video, please do subscribe and like it. Thank you so much. We will continue working on such useful video. So thank you so much guys.